video, we had to use popsicle sticks, all color of rainbow. We can do and a can, any color can. But you have to cover it with tape or something to cover it with the color. Hi, I'm Sophia. So we're gonna do a DIY pencil holder. We have to use glue, popsicle rainbows. We don't have to paint it, but buy some of this. So now let's start. Gluey. So now we're gonna use some glue and a popsicle stick so we could look like a worm. There's a little bit too much. Okay, so now we're gonna put green. So we're gonna show you guys this. It looks like a brick. So guys, this is what it turned out of the rainbow, but it's not that rainbow. We have two more colors left. It's purple, oh no, and blue. I'm gonna start with blue because it's the first one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So guys, I'm almost done, as you see. This is the last one for it all. See you later. Bye. So guys, it's already dry. The popsicle sticks we did before. So now we're gonna decorate it with some beads, so we can make it as an extra touch. Let's start with. It's how to know how to do this. You can do a glue stick, a glue gun. So guys, you can use any type of glue, but I use the regular glue, and we're gonna use these beads to stick it. But we use glue, stick it there, and let's stick it. So I'm gonna pick any color, but to make it, look at these. So guys, now we're gonna start. I'm gonna pick. I think I will go with this blue third. So I'm gonna stick it. I'm gonna stick only a little bit of that because this one is too small, as you can see. And okay, that's you know we have to put another one so we don't fall off. Okay, a little dot, like a really dot pop. Now we can continue with it. So we're gonna pick something, but this is a ball. Can we use that? Only if it's not big. Okay. So I think I'll use this butterfly. Oh, that's crazy.